Are you looking for the best stocks to watch in 2025? Whether you're a beginner investor or just looking for solid opportunities, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down 5 promising stocks that could perform well in 2025. We'll discuss why these stocks have potential, the risks involved, and what factors to watch out for. Make sure to watch until the end for a bonus tip on how to research stocks effectively. Let's get started. Stock number 5, Rivian, RIVN. Finally, we have Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN. Rivian is a rising star in the electric vehicle industry, focusing on adventure-oriented electric trucks and SUVs. With strong backing from Amazon, which has ordered thousands of electric delivery vans, Rivian has a promising future. The company's recent expansion in production capacity and investment in battery technology make it a stock to keep an eye on. While Rivian has exciting growth potential, it faces several challenges. The EV market is highly competitive, with Tesla, Ford, and other automakers vying for market share. Additionally, the company's ability to scale production efficiently while maintaining profitability will be a key factor in its success. Investors should monitor Rivian's financial performance and progress in meeting production targets. Stock number 4, Palantir Technologies, PLTR. Fourth on our list is Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir specializes in big data analytics and artificial intelligence, providing services to both government and commercial clients. The company's software is used in national security, law enforcement, and financial analysis, making it a key player in the data-driven economy. Palantir has been steadily growing its commercial sector, signing deals with Fortune 500 companies in industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and finance. This diversification beyond government contracts is crucial for long-term growth. However, investors should be aware of Palantir's history of inconsistent profitability, reliance on a few large clients, and the risks associated with data privacy regulations. Stock number 3, Amazon, AMZN. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, remains one of the strongest companies in the world. While most people associate Amazon with online shopping, its real profit driver is Amazon Web Services, AWS, its cloud computing division. As businesses continue to shift toward digital services, AWS is expected to grow significantly in 2025. Additionally, Amazon's push into artificial intelligence, logistics automation, and smart home technology makes it a stock worth watching. Amazon is also expanding its logistics network to reduce reliance on third-party shipping providers. This means faster deliveries and higher profit margins in the long run. However, investors should be cautious about factors such as economic downturns affecting consumer spending, regulatory scrutiny on big tech, and increased competition in cloud computing from companies like Microsoft and Google. Stock number 2, NVIDIA, NVDA. Next up is NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA is best known for its dominance in graphics processing units, GPUs, but in recent years, the company has expanded its reach into artificial intelligence, data centers, and even self-driving technology. In 2025, NVIDIA's biggest growth driver could be its role in powering AI applications, from ChatGPT-like models to AI-driven automation in industries like healthcare, finance, and robotics. NVIDIA's data center segment is booming, driven by the increasing demand for cloud computing and AI training. Companies worldwide are investing in AI, and NVIDIA's advanced GPUs are at the center of this revolution. With partnerships in various industries and constant innovation, NVIDIA is a strong stock to watch. However, investors should be mindful of supply chain risks, competition from companies like AMD and Intel, and regulatory concerns surrounding semiconductor exports. Stock number 1, Tesla, TSLA. First on our list is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla continues to be a dominant player in the electric vehicle market, but it's much more than just a car company. The company is pioneering advancements in autonomous driving, battery technology, and artificial intelligence. With a strong global presence and increasing production capabilities, Tesla is positioning itself for long-term growth. In 2025, investors should pay close attention to Tesla's expansion into energy storage solutions, as well as its progress in full self-driving FSD technology. Tesla's energy division, which includes solar panels and battery storage, is another area of interest. As renewable energy becomes more important worldwide, Tesla's involvement in clean energy solutions could be a game changer. However, investors should be aware of potential risks, such as production delays, competition from other EV manufacturers, and regulatory challenges in key markets like China and the US. Bonus tip: how to research stocks. Before investing in any stock, it's important to do thorough research. Here are a few key steps. 1. Look at financial statements. Check a company's revenue, earnings, and growth trends on platforms like Yahoo Finance and Seeking Alpha. 2. Analyze market trends. Understand the industry's potential and the company's position in it. 3. Read earnings reports and news. Stay updated on company announcements, earnings calls, and future plans. 4. Consider risks. Every investment comes with risks, so always be aware of economic factors, competition, and potential downturns. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one stock. Spread your investments to reduce risk. And there you have it, 5 stocks to watch in 2025. Do you own any of these stocks? Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy investing.